Hello friends, how are you? Let's go straight to the chart. Today I'm explaining a 6-candle pattern that works mostly in a consolidation area. It can be used on any chart or any currency pair, it doesn't matter. Pattern rules. First, the market should be moving in consolidation, sideways. You need the first 4 candles alternating red and green, for example, red, green, red, green. Then you take trade on 5th and 6th candle. After these 4 or 5 candles form, you take a trade in the opposite direction. Example: if the last candle shows weakness on the upside and the structure confirms rejection, I will take a bearish trade, short position. Right now, I am looking for a downside move. I am almost 90% confident about the short setup. Now we wait for the result. If you have any questions, comment below. In this case, the sellers were rejected from a weak support level. The second to last candle formed a bullish engulfing pattern, which shows that buyers stepped in strongly and took control of the market. This indicates that buyers are likely pushing the market upward. Based on this confirmation, I am predicting that the market will move up. Now, let's wait for the result and see how the market reacts.